Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to make your taskbar transparent in Windows 11. Let's get started. Steps to make taskbar transparent in Windows 11. Open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 device. Search for the app Translucent TB. This application will help make your taskbar transparent. Install the Translucent TB app. Once the installation is complete, your taskbar should become transparent automatically. And that's it. Your taskbar should now be transparent. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.